Pretty cool. I'll see. I'm gonna throw in, see what happens. Got a nice size sheephead. Look at that guy. Nice. Good sized sheephead right there, boy. Nice size. It's probably about a 14-inch sheephead right there. Got the crazy teeth. You see them teeth? Bleeding pretty good now. That's a sheep's head. Or a convict fish, or whatever they want to call it. That's a good eating fish, I guess. I don't eat them. Right up towards the mangroves. It's fairly deep right there on the mangroves. Maybe 3 feet. Oh, crystal clear water. There's a whole school of sheephead. I got the camera on, so I guarantee you I will not get a bite. Anyways, there's a sheep's head. Easy as that. Pretty good size. Trying to get some of these sheep's head. Got 2 of them already, 2 big ones. Nice size anyways, big for me. But anyways, they're right up in this mangrove. I mean literally, they're right underneath me. I'm gonna try to put the GoPro in the water. See if we can't see him. There's one right here. Pretty cool. I'm like right up on the mangroves. Now here at Fort DeSoto, fishing for anything. Managed to get two sheepheads, good size. Threw them back, but I was on a school and I thought, I'm like, man, I got a waterproof GoPro. Well, I'll just put it in the water and see if I can't see them. Well, the inside of it got wet. Now the GoPro don't work. Anyways, this is Shell Island. We'll pass right out here to the Gulf. Good fishing, it just wasn't good for me. I'm gonna try to get on some shrimp tonight. That's the main reason I came here, is to find some shrimp. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get back. Got about 3 miles to go to get back to the truck, and the sun's going down.